So remember a couple weeks ago, we looked at this thing and we said it should be replaced soon. Well, it happened. The blower wheel exploded. So we are replacing it today. We just gave them an estimate for a new one and told them we were going to order a new one if it broke down again, because we were kind of thinking this was going to happen. And yeah, it did. So it ran a good course. It'll be nice to have a new one in there because this one has had a rough life. So here's the new unit. We got the ductwork mounted to it. It was a double wall going through into this area where all the air valves are for this feed mill, and they had done it double wall like this so that, like, if rats build a nest on here, it won't get really hot and possibly cause a fire. So it's like a 1-inch gap all the way around just to protect from any fires. So we put some like little spacers here to kind of hold it out at that farther end. So we're going to lift it up there. Hopefully all of our measuring is correct and it should just slide right in. So pretty simple to hook up. We just gotta do the gas piping here, and we got it slid all the way back into the wall there. Wow, it looks so beautiful and new and shiny and clean. So nice. I really like LB White equipment. It seems like they do a really good job just manufacturing nice stuff. And I like that they haven't really changed this that much, the design I mean. It's pretty much the same. What I do like is the electrical compartment. There's only space for one guy in there evidently. But they put like a more waterproof box for the control board and stuff. So I feel like that'll really cut down on moisture-caused issues. I see you. Simeon. What? I see you. Simeon's getting it mounted down here. So I just gotta check for gas leaks and then we should be good to go.